This is a 2012 Acura TL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, 3-point height adjustable front seat belts with retentioners and load limiters, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 22,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.